दोस्तों, hey there, I am Preeti Gautam and you are listening to Unfiltered Zuban with Heer. Why Unfiltered Zuban with Heer? Nowadays we can see people are putting a lot of filters on their faces and they can cover their face by putting the filters on their face, but they can't just put the filter on their tongue. Yes, tongue, the zuban. ज़ुबान पे हम कोई फ़िल्टर नहीं लगा सकते. तो एक ज़ुबान जो है वही इंसान की सच्चाई बताती है, वही इंसान को डिफ़ाइन करती है एग्जैक्टली कि वो अंदर से क्या है और वो बाहर से किसी को क्या प्रिटेंड करता है. शॉर्ट आई वांट टू से कि एक ज़ुबान ही इंसान को डिफ़ाइन करती है वो कितना सच्चा है और कितना झूठा है. आप कभी भी अपनी ज़ुबान पे फ़िल्टर नहीं लगा सकते. सो दैट्स वाई I put it the name of my podcast Unfiltered Zuban with Heer. Why Heer? Because ये तोहफ़ा हमने खुद को दिया है. हीर नाम मुझे बहुत पसंद था, इसलिए मैंने अपना नाम हीर रख दिया. और इंस्टाग्राम पे भी मेरा जो पेज है वो हीर के नेम से ही है. That's why I call myself Heer and I also love if people will gonna call me Heer. Okay, so again, getting back to the topic, I have started the podcast channel named as a Unfiltered Zuban with Heer. This podcast is for every single person. It's not like this podcast is only for the particular type of people. It includes everybody. Everybody can watch it. The homemakers, the housewives, the engineers, doctors, nurses, content creators, influencers, and so on. It is not limited. Every kind of person can watch this podcast and listen to me anytime they want. So in this podcast, I will going to cover every single topic happening in our day-to-day life, including the marriages, love, relationship, breakup, hookup, patch up, family issues, adult and kid lifestyle, fitness, healthy lifestyle, content creator, influencers, marketing, business, and the money matters, how to become self-independent, how to be more spiritual, and how to do good things in life. I will gonna talk about everything whichever gonna come in my mind. I will gonna shoot on you on that particular topic, and I will just gonna talk about that particular topic with you guys because you will be gonna my audience, and I want to share out everything whichever will gonna happen to me. I will gonna share it with you guys because I want to be a truthful person rather than be a fake person. So if you guys think I'm gonna make it and I'm gonna do it so good, and this is something which I wanted to do since so long, but मुझे पता नहीं था कि मैं इसको कैसे शुरू करूँ, कब करना चाहिए, क्या टॉपिक्स होने चाहिए, कितनी चीज़ें होनी चाहिए. मैं ज़्यादा भी एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकती. बहुत सारे लोगों से हेल्प मांगी कि ठीक है डू दिस विद मी, बट यह ज़िंदगी का सार है कि कुछ चीज़ें आपको अकेले ही शुरू करनी पड़ती है. So here I am. Make sure you subscribe to the Unfiltered Zuban with Heer podcast channel, where you will gonna see me talking about every single thing happening in my life and happening also in your life or in our day-to-day lives. Moreover, you can also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post the video, you get notified and you will watch my content or the videos which I will gonna post in the nearer future.